What up guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a deping project where you can earn by just interacting with their platform every day and also installing an extension on your browser in order for you to earn some points passively. All right, so you will be able to do all that and earn free airdrop from this application, from this platform. All right, now this project is actually new and is built on the Sui blockchain. And in this video, I'll be showing you all you need to know and how to get started in order for you to start claiming these free points right here. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here, right now, you need to pay attention to this video till the end. So once you use the link in the description of this video, you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. This is where you are going to be signing up an account. All right, so all you have to do is to come over here. You can decide to use your Google to sign up, or you just sign up manually using your email right here. So I think I'm going to sign up manually using my email, so I'm going to do that quickly. All right, so once you register an account successfully, you're going to put in the details you use in registering for an account right here. So we'll do that quickly and we log into our account. So once you log into your account, you're going to get this welcome page telling you things you can do in order for you to earn with this platform. All right, so the first one is by referring. You can refer your friends, use your referral link, you can bring more people and you earn more. Now the second one is by adding your extension to your Chrome browser. Now you know we can't use extension on the Chrome browser on mobile phones. All right, so for that I'll show you what you should use. I'll show you the browser you can use and how you can use it. All right, I'll be doing that in this video, so you have to pay attention to everything. All right, now the third one says daily rewards. You log into the application every day, you log into the site, then you are going to be claiming. There's a daily reward you can claim. I think about 300 points are being claimed daily once you log in. All right, quickly now let's close this and we look at the platform, what it looks like. All right, now here we are. Now once you get into the platform, you can close this for now. All right, so once you get here, this is where you can get your referral link. Click on refer and earn. You see, I just clicked it and my link has been copied, so you can go through this system and refer your friends to earn more. Now, apart from referring, also you can also quickly link up your social media accounts right here. You can see over here there are points you can claim for adding your X account, linking it up, your Discord and Telegram. There are points you earn for doing this, although these are limited tasks anyway, so you can see limited, time limited, so you can do this quickly and earn I think about 3,000 points. This gives 1,000, 1,000 and 1,000 here, so you get about 3,000 points for doing these activities. All right, now quickly let me show you the browser you should be using and how to download the extension and add it to this browser in order for you to start earning with this platform. All right, now apart from that, you can see over here it says your email is not verified. Please verify your email. So I just clicked on the verify email button right here and email has been sent to my address. So I'm just going to go to my email address and check that email, click on it, and my account is going to be verified. Let's do that. All right, so if you check your email address, you're going to see this email right here. All you have to do is to click on this button that says verify email. Click on it and you are going to get verified instantly. All right, so I just verified my email. I'm back here now. You can see it is gone. Now over here, now that my account has been verified, I can now claim my daily token reward. All right, I'm going to click here and to be added to my account. All right, I think this is network issues, but anyway, I'm going to still come over and try that again later on. Now quickly let's go over and download the Mises browser. Now go to your Play Store or you go to the App Store. Is available on both iOS and Android, so you can download the Mises browser from there and install it on your mobile phone. After your installation, I'll show you what else to do next. Now quickly let's go and download our Mises browser. So once you're done downloading the Mises browser, all I need you to do is to come over to my Telegram channel. This way you're going to see this post. This is where I dropped the post about the 3D in my Telegram channel earlier. So you're going to see this post. You are just going to, or in order for you to locate the post, you can just click on the pin message which is up right here. Just click here and you'll be able to locate the post easily. So once you locate the post, all you need to do is to copy this link right here. This link is the link to the extension you are going to be downloading and add it to your, copy it, head over to the Mises browser. Mises browser, all you need to do is to click on the search box right here, click on it, and you're going to paste the link that you just copied from the Telegram channel right here. Okay, I just pasted it. All right, okay, very good. Now you can see it is now saying I should add to Chrome. All right, so what you're going to click now is to click on the add button, add to Chrome, and it's going to automatically download this extension for us on this browser. All right, quickly it has been added to our browser. Now to locate it quickly, to be sure that it has been added to our browser, all you need to do is to click on this extension logo right here. Now you can see we have the 3DOS network on our extension right here. So to activate it, click on it. All right, let's quickly log in. So once you click on the login button, it's going to come up this way for you. Now all you need to do is to go back to the 3DOS platform, and you're going to go and generate the API key, and you're going to bring it here, paste it here, and you're going to click on apply, and your earning starts with your browser instantly. Now let's quickly do that for you guys. Then you generate your API key, click on it over here, then it's going to generate your API key for you. You're just going to copy this key and head over to your Misus browser, and I'll show you how to use this key right there. Let's go. Okay, very good. I'm just going to paste the key I copied right here. I'm going to paste it in this box here. All right, so you can see I just got connected. I applied it and I got connected instantly. So that's how you can earn with this extension on your mobile phone. All right, so guys, but you still need to come over here sometimes to check, to be sure that your Misus browser is actually connected, or the extension, for your earnings to continue coming in regularly. All right, so sometimes you just come over and check just to be sure that you are still earning. In case you are not earning again, you need to activate it again and let it keep earning for you passively in the background. All right, so guys, apart from that, you can still go to the platform. There are a lot of bonuses you can still participate in by connecting your social medias and claiming some bonuses right. All right guys, so after the connection, you can see that your earnings are going to be coming up. You can also check your statistics. You're going to start seeing this graph right here is going to keep increasing, and that's because mine is increasing very well, because I also have a laptop that I connected to this. So I downloaded this extension on a laptop on my browser, and I'm using it to earn also. So guys, if you have a laptop, you can also do that and earn some more. It works better on a laptop. You earn more using a laptop. All right, so but if you do not have a laptop, you can go ahead, use your mobile phone and do what I just show you right here. Now there's another thing you can also use to earn in this platform is by checking out here. You can see where it is written whitelisted manufacturers. Now there are, under this whitelisted manufacturers, there are lots of sites that are listed there that you can visit regularly or daily in order for you to earn some extra more points from this project. All right, so if you click on the whitelisted manufacturer, you can see out the list. Here they are. These are a list of websites you can visit through your browser that you added the extension to. All right, make sure you're using the Misus browser to visit these sites. All these sites, if you can visit them, if you are the type that always visits e-commerce sites most of the time, then you are definitely going to be earning by visiting this site. They are all listed here. You can go ahead, go through every one of them so you can know the sites that you can visit. All right, so these are just bonus tips for you to earn more points on this platform. All right guys, so if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. Guys, there's a link to my Telegram channel in the description. Go down there, hop in and stick there, because that's where I drop more updates more regularly, more often, and every single day. All right, so guys, I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.